we present a novel robotic violinist that is designed to play Carnatic music, a music system popular in the southern part of India. The robot plays the D string and uses a single finger mechanism inspired by the Chitraveena, a fretless Indian lute. A fingerboard traversal system with a dynamic fingertip apparatus enables the robot to play gamakas. Gamakas are pitch based embellishments in between notes, which are at the core of Carnatic music. A double roller design is used for bowing, which reduces space, produces a tone that resembles the tone of conventional violin bow, and facilitates playing techniques such as infinite bowing. The design also enables the user to change the bow hair tightness to help capture a variety of performing techniques in different musical styles.